Well, the last time we had our next guest on the show, she shared her story of winning the cardboard boat regatta. And here we can see her paddling her way to glorious victory. Now, it's not every day you see a cardboard space shuttle out on the river.
No, it's not, but it's thanks to Reclaim Our River nanticoke, an all-volunteer partnership organization helping keep our waterways healthy. And here to tell us more is Nan Zamorski. She is the co-chair of the Reclaim Our River nanticoke.
Yes.
Thank you for coming in this afternoon, Nan.
Well, you're welcome.
Yeah, and you brought your trophies from that too.
Yes,
I did. Those are actually my trophies.
Awesome.
One was fastest boat, and the other was People's Choice Award.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
and it looked great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. Oh, you saw it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she had me play the video.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know you knew that was me.
Yeah. So can you tell us a little bit about Reclaim Our River
Yes, I
nanticoke?
will. Yes, I will. So back in 2013, I was going to several brainstorming sessions with some experts. I'm not an expert, but I was going to them about water quality in and around our beautiful watershed. And our watershed, Nanticoke watershed, is also in the huge Chesapeake Bay watershed and the Wicomico River watershed. Okay, so I was going, and there's problems that a lot of the experts have identified. And but at this meeting, and it was moderated, but at this meeting, everybody was just talking about the problems, and I'm sort of a hands-on person, as you might be able to tell. So I thought, okay, so I kept standing up and raising my hand and standing up and just saying, well, what are we going to do about it? Well, what are we going to do about it? What are we going to do about it? So finally, at the very end of the meeting, the moderator said, would someone help this woman? And so two guys, one Delaware Nature Society, he stood up, and then a young man from DenRec, Watershed Stewardship, he stood up, and they vowed to work with me, and that's how we came up with the name, Reclaim Our River nanticoke, and then we came up with a name, we had some meetings, and we started in 2014. And we came up with monthly programs starting in the wintertime with educational programs like Save the Monarch Butterfly and gardening for butterflies and bees. And, there's just different ways that each of us can contribute to keeping our beautiful watershed healthy. And so that's what it is. So it's throughout the year, and our only fundraiser is the Recycled Cardboard Boat Regatta.
Yes, which we're gonna talk about a little bit more coming up. But first, you decided, you've been on before, and we've talked about all the things you do. And one of the things you do is you educate people on recycling, and you decided you were going to quiz us on our knowledge.
Yes, yes.
So let's get right to that.
Perfect.
All right.
So there's a drum roll. I wish we had a
All right.
Okay. Whoever wins gets more questions right. So you're going to have, this is the honor system.
Oh, okay.
So you're going to have, because whoever gets the most answers correct, you get to walk home with that brand new blue recycle bin.
That's awesome.
For your home. All right.
Very excited.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, and I should mention one last thing. So
By the way, you're going down.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
Dang, trash talk.
That was funny.
That was really good. That was
well done.
That was well done. And I should just to mention that we our partners are Nanticoke Watershed Alliance. This is our little demo boat with Nanticoke Watershed Alliance, and they do programs throughout the year, nanticokeriver.org.
Awesome.
Okay, so
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Question
All right,
one.
here we go. What is the biggest contamination in recycling?
Plastic.
Oh, she raised her hand first.
Got it.
Uh-oh. Okay, so now we're going to have to
What is it? It's plastic bags.
Yes, it is. Were you going to say that?
I was going to say plastic.
Okay,
general.
okay. But it's plastic
bags.
Okay.
And now, and that includes shrink wrap, bubble wrap, plastic bags, newspaper bags, trash bags. Okay, they're the worst. But why? Raise your hand. Whoever. Why are they the worst? Mikey. Yes.
They take years and years and years to break down, if they even break down at all.
Oh, well, that's good, but that's not the answer.
It's because when they break it down into these super micro pieces and stay in the water.
And that's all great information, but that's not the answer. Why can't you put, so many people put all their recyclables in a plastic bag in their big recycling bin. Why can't you do plastic? But what you just said, it sort of makes sense.
Yeah.
It's because it jams up all the processing.
Oh,
It just wraps around. It
okay.
wraps
that
around the
makes sense.
wheels
All
in there. Yeah, and that's a huge
So
expense.
I've been doing that wrong for years.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, don't do it anymore. I see
Okay.
it all the time. I
Don't
feel
do
like
that.
knocking on all the
won't.
doors.
Yeah.
Stop it. So just just dump them in there.
Okay.
Okay. And so where can you recycle some, like the shrink wrap and the stuff like this? Yes.
At the grocery store, they have those bins out front.
They do, and they have a list on it what you can do. But if you actually have your whole boat in shrink wrap, like a lot of the big boats,
Oh.
do you know what they're
No.
doing now? I learned this from one of your earlier broadcasts. It's Queenstown. For $15 a bag, they take all the
Oh, that's right,
the,
yes.
the shrink wrap and they put it in there, and they actually will recycle it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, one more question.
Okay, are we? Oh,
One more
only
question.
one more
One more.
question. Okay, Lisa, we know you love to exercise and exercise with your dog. So, what material is the best for tasting and safest for your drinking water? Best tasting and safest for your drinking water.
I want to say glass,
Yeah, glass is,
but
the
aluminum.
Safe, yeah, or SS.
Steel.
Stainless steel.
Oh my gosh, we have a time.
Lisa, I know. Okay, well, Mike
on,
has a
we're-
question.
tie break,
Okay,
tie break.
so Mike,
This is
we
it.
know you love the taste of food. So when you're
Yes, it's very true.
Yes, it is. So, which take-home containers can you recycle?
Cardboard,
Paper.
Yes, but and what can't you? It's a two-part question. Yes.
styrofoam.
Styrofoam. And styrofoam is around forever, but you can't. There are some recycle centers. I'll just say Delaware has a great recycle. How to
right.
recycle?
Okay.
Okay, how to recycle? Okay.
There.
And so they will take styrofoam.
Oh, okay.
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 There you go.
Yes.
All right. Well, Nan, thank you so much.
You're
It's so
welcome.
much fun.
And hang in here with us now.
Yes.
Because we're not done with you
No,
just yet.
no.
We're now going over into the kitchen in the next block.
Okay, gotcha.
And we're going to be doing a cardboard box. We're actually going to be building a cardboard box
Okay.
demonstration. So you don't want to go anywhere. DelmarvaLife will be right back. The Nanticoke River is a crucial part of our local ecosystem, but it's also home to the annual Recycled Cardboard Boat Regatta. And we're back with Nanticoke Nan over here in the DelmarvaLife kitchen now, but we're not cooking. As you can see, we've decided to start constructing one of these cardboard boats for you so you can see what it takes.
Yeah. Hi, Mike.
Hi.
It's
I've
like
been working here. You can see all my work that I've been doing
the
throughout the course of the morning.
DelmarvaLife Kitchen Extended. Okay, Nan. So what do you have Mike doing over there?
He's making a fork.
A fort?
Fork.
Okay. All right. It has to float though, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So he's making a cardboard boat out of used cardboard.
Sure,
which
sure.
you can usually get at any of the furniture stores or large pine. And so the cardboard boat, if you're thinking about it for our race, it's pretty flimsy.
Yeah.
So how do you make it stronger? So that's what Mike is doing. We've cut up a piece of cardboard, and would you show them how you use
show
your
them, Mike.
roller glide?
Yeah, absolutely. So what I did was, I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me come over here.
Yeah, come over here.
Because we have that overhead camera over there. And what
your step.
basically what we're doing is I'll measure out what I need, and then what I'll do with this roller knife here is I just roll along to make a crease in the cardboard to make it easier for me to be able to fold it.
Oh.
Yeah.
And so it's a brace.
And so
Oh,
it's a
okay.
brace. So
Okay.
now I'm using duct tape to duct tape them all together so that when I put the brace in, it doesn't move.
Oh, duct tape.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Let me get the duct tape.
Oh, yeah, get the duct tape.
That makes sense because you can't just sit in a
Right.
box in the water and hope to float.
Right. And also you can't use wood to use for brace. So you've got to come up with a sturdier brace. So
Makes sense.
that's what we have here.
So, and it is cardboard. And so if you make a mistake, you can just cut another piece
And just restart and do it all over
or
again.
patch it.
Which I might have to with this because
Okay.
I don't know if this is going to work the way we want it to.
So when you're constructing, you have to use cardboard,
It's got to be cardboard.
and then you're using duct tape, so obviously that's allowed.
You can use duct tape. You can use some latex glue
Okay.
because as you see,
it works.
it's okay. This is cheap duct tape, but
It gets us what I need for this.
it's easy. But you can use some of the paste or
Okay.
the caulking,
The caulking.
Oh, okay.
and
So,
you
caulking.
fill
Oh, you got it over there.
fill the gaps,
So we could do that over
Oh
here.
yeah, you can do it right there.
There you go.
You
Oh,
fill the gaps.
okay. So you need to seal this up real good.
Yes.
Well, if you
because-
want to make, if you want to paddle 100 yards, like adults have to go 100 yards, and children only have to go 50.
Oh, okay.
So it depends what you're, if you're a child.
Yeah, but if your child's in a boat, you want to make sure they don't sink.
Yeah,
Okay, well,
and-
while he's doing that
Yes.
over there, what are we going to do over here? I see some paint.
Yes. So you paint the boat. The
Oh, okay.
more layers, the better. Okay. So you want to. What Mike is doing, he's folding it and designing the boat. We're making it stronger. We're using some clamps, and then you actually just get to paint.
Okay, that's
So-
the easy part, right?
That is the easy part. So which color do you?
I
want?
like this color right
Okay,
here.
I do too. That's
Yeah.
pretty.
Oh, good.
all right?
Pick the right color. All right. And what kind of paint is it? You said this is latex?
Latex.
Okay.
So you gotta use latex paint. So use.
You don't want to use watercolors.
No. Yeah, I almost grabbed some washable paint and I didn't. No,
that's not going to work.
So you just. So this is a pretty color. You can get some of these samples. Now, Lisa, you can just go to town wherever you want to start
Over
painting
on
this
there?
boat because remember it's a cardboard boat,
Uh-huh.
and if you make a mistake, you can just paint over it.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, I do
Okay.
too.
Well, you already got a good start here with the heart, and it's the love boat we have here.
I think the WBOC Love Boat, and so you can paint the bow.
Okay, so what?
So we are using nautical terms.
Okay.
It is the bow, and I brought one piece of paper towel because I know you won't make any mistakes.
I am not.
Just one.
All right, I'm gonna do. Oops, I
She
already made a
is.
mistake.
I know.
Already on the floor.
That's all right. I brought.
I wanted to
It's
do
not on the floor.
DelmarvaLife,
Oh, that's great.
but I'm gonna have to do it in like Delmarva. So tell me, what is the most, I guess, unique boat you've seen?
Oh, well,
I'm
if you
sorry.
look, there's lots of boats right underneath you on our sign. But we also have. I mean, there's been pirate ships. There's been, and so you can decorate, or if you like to go horseback riding, you can make a seahorse. If you're a Viking heritage, we've had people make a Viking longboat.
Oh, wow.
It is really cool, and even you can make horns or a hat. I did Apollo 11, so I made a helmet, but everything has to be out of cardboard.
Nan, we love it when you come in. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
I love to come in.
All right, well, Mikey's going to continue working on the boat.
I'm going to be here for a while.
All right, well, we're going to be right back.